Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a complete breast pumping tutorial in a simple and clear way so that new mothers can understand it easily and follow it with confidence. Before starting, always ensure that your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Maintaining hygiene is very important for both mother and baby. Next, choose a comfortable and quiet place to sit. A relaxed environment helps the body respond better during pumping. Sit with proper back support so you can stay comfortable throughout the session. Before using the pump, gentle breast massage for a minute can help prepare the body. This step may support better milk flow and make the process smoother. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using a manual pump, press the handle gently. If you are using an electric pump, start with low suction and adjust gradually. A steady and controlled rhythm is important for comfort and effectiveness. In the beginning, milk may not flow immediately. This is normal. The body may take a few minutes to respond, so staying calm and patient is important. Continue pumping with a consistent rhythm. Avoid rushing. A slow and steady approach often makes the process more comfortable. After completing the session, carefully remove the pump and transfer the milk into a clean storage container. Store it properly based on when you plan to use it. Finally, clean all pump parts thoroughly after each use. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and ensures the pump is ready for the next session. With regular practice and the right technique, breast pumping can become a simple and manageable routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.